that we want to be seen and perceived as vulnerable and authentic.
Mm-hmm.
So what are the drills? You talked about this
Yeah.
a couple of times. What are these drills? What can we do to get ourselves in a position where we can get past that resistance?
All right. So just like any other lifting program, it's not a one-off. It can be great that, hey, when I was back in high school, I could run a mile under 8 minutes. Well, unless you stuck with it, you probably ain't doing that now, are you? So this is going to be a weekly and a regular thing. What I'm going to give you today is what I have my clients do upon Tuesdays. What I want you to do is I want to put yourself in a situation you're not normally in. So I'm looking at your desk here. I have a piece of furniture in my house, in my office, whatever I don't normally sit in. Maybe it's the one my guest or underlings will sit in whenever they're in my office. I want you to put yourself in a different position. The floor is also a great answer. So sit in a place that's different. I want you to sensory deprive yourself as much as possible. No light, no sound, as much as you reasonably can do in your space. And then I want you to close your eyes. And this is going to be like your brain's equivalent of a Google search. There'll be way too many answers off the bat. But I just want you to think in your past about situations that you wish turned out differently. Whether it be a simple conversation, a massive difference, whatever. Just, I wish this was different. And a whole laundry list is going to come up on your Google search inside your brain. And I want you, and this will kind of happen naturally, to kind of rank them in terms of the scariest stuff I don't ever want to talk about. And okay, we can start here. We're going to start with those easier ones. And what I want you to do is pop yourself out of your body in your mind's eye. So you're just watching two different people have a conversation. Person A, person B. As much as possible, remove your emotion from the situation. And just look at these two people interacting. Based upon what the relationship parameters are. Husband, wife, child to child, boss, employee, whatever. Because there are certain expectations based upon a relationship.
Hey there, it's the real Jason Duncan. Thank you for watching this video. But if you are an entrepreneur and you've ever thought about what it's going to be like when you get ready to exit your business, I'm the guy you want to follow. So make sure that you've subscribed to this channel and go check out the link in the description, therealjasonduncan.com. Check out the resources I've got for people just like you as an entrepreneur who's trying to get his life back, get her life back, get your time and freedom back. If that's what you want as an entrepreneur, if you're being trapped in your business, then I can help you get out of that. So go to therealjasonduncan.com. The link is in the description and check out one of these videos. I'll see you next time.